Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import media files like pictures, videos, and even songs into your CapCut project. So to import videos and photos and music, you're just going to select the import button here, and you're just going to select either like a picture or like a video you want to put in. So for this one, I'm just going to select an image. As you can see, you can view the files that they support from like JPEG to like MP4 to MP3, and they also support GIFs and PNGs as well. As you can see, these are all of the media files that CapCut supports. So if you do import any like media that is in that file, it will be imported into CapCut. So I'm just going to select this one and like double click on it, and it's going to be added to my media, to like my library. To delete it, just right click and select delete and press confirm. And you can do this with music as well and videos. As you can see, I have imported some videos and music here. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And also you can also, sorry, I said also twice. You can also like drag files from like your folder into this media library here, by the way. So just keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.